This is what happens when you grab her and put her against your cheek.
Give it some noise.
What kind of noises does she make?
She's like, finally. Oh,
This is what happens when you grab her and put her against your cheek. She thinks she's now very filthy. You see, she brings us so much joy and we bring her so much trouble.
You will have to get her some goodie to eat now. I think she's not done, to be honest.
It seems like she's thinking what to do next.
Do-
What you gonna do next? What?
That's usually where she cleans herself. She started her detailed cleaning.
Isn't that the place where she pees? I mean, seriously, if you wanna be clean, then be clean. Janie, I just realized what you're doing. You just wanna be filled with your scent. You don't wanna be clean. That's not the purpose here.
That's so cute.
Yeah, she never made a voice like that before. This is just because I was playing with her too much.
This is gonna be a very deep cleaning.
Jenny, you do that in the sand. This is amazing. You don't get to see this too often.
No, actually first time for me to see she's rolling on this.
She's licking her feet. Oh, baby. I'm not sure if she's licking off the dirt from her feet or she's just wetting her feet.
And then
Yeah, she's just wetting them up, you know.
that's her bathroom. That's where she does her
Bathing.
bathroom.
Tired?
Nice.
Baby, you're cleaner now than you were ever. Obviously, she has a different opinion. Yeah, baby. Big roll, yes. Oh, rub your back. The only thing I did is I put you next to my cheek, okay?
Look, the arm all the way to the back. After she's done, I tell you, take her 3 seconds.
And you momo her again.
Yeah.
Wow.
With your face and
I seriously have bad conscience now. Come on, we were just having good time. You also enjoyed it, didn't you? Well, obviously not. That's her tail, man. Okay, she's ready. Or so did we think. Is this gonna ever end? I don't think
yeah,
so.
let's see how long this took.
I think she's done.
Moment. Don't get too close. See what's gonna happen.
Job well done. There is more where this came from, so please consider liking and subscribing if you liked what you saw. Thanks for stopping by. Hope to catch you again next time. Bye bye.